Can you tell us about fantasy Pope ball, Richard?
Fantapapa, Mirren, is what this is called. So, you know, the Catholic Church and the papacy is obviously, it is the religion in Rome, but the secondary one is football, and Italy is the birthplace, effectively, of fantasy football. So everybody in Italy is playing this game called Fantapapa, where you pick 11, like you would a football team, cardinals you think might be the next pope. You captain the one you think will be the most likely. You put as goalkeeper the one you think is the least likely, and then you get points if your guy comes out on top at the end of the conclave. But it goes down to you predict the name of the next pope, whether or not he'll appear wearing glasses on the balcony, what languages he'll speak, when we'll get a result, all this stuff. It sounds a bit neurotic, like the amount of different elements you bring into the predictions for this thing, but this is what Italians are all about. You see them in coffee shops and in bars, sitting out scrolling through Fantapapa, trying to pick who the next pope might be. But through this, there is actually an interesting gauge of public opinion. You get to see who the favourites are. So the ones who are coming out on top at the moment, Pietro Parolin, Tagle and Matteo Zuppi, from Bologna in northern Italy. They seem to be the most popular amongst the Fantapapa obsessives at this point in time.